Hello, I'm Art Serratelli, and together with Mara Mijal, we are the two partners here at Serratelli Mijal PLLC. And we will always be able to get you an answer to any question you have. If you have a question, we'll have an answer. The topic of today's video is the long delays for work permits for the spouses of L visa holders, H visa holders, and E visa holders are over. So here's what was going on. If you're a spouse of certain workers, E, L, H, and under certain circumstances, you were permitted to get a work card as a spouse. You get a job, you're working, the card would expire, and guess what? What was Trump doing? He was taking 6, 7, 8, 9, God forbid, 10 months to get you your new card to work. But here's the problem. If you don't have a current card, you can't work legally on a payroll. You got to get fired. AILA, the American Immigration Lawyers Association, sued the federal government, and thank God the lawsuit was resolved. So, as a result of this settlement, USCIS has already updated its policy manual. So here's what we know. These are the highlights of what we know so far. Number one, as of November 12th, 2021, all these rules are kicking in. So that was a little while ago. That's number one. And number two, for all the spouses, E, L, H, to get the EAD card with your picture on it that says you're allowed to work, to get that card, you need to file an application I-765. But soon, E's and L dependent spouses will be given codes, new, more detailed codes at the border. Okay, why? Why are you going to be given that entry record? Because that'll indicate your ability to work, meaning this is the part we're not certain of yet. Because of all the interagency cooperation, the agency running border control has to coordinate with USCIS. USCIS has to coordinate with the consulates and the embassies. And they're all run by different agencies. Are you ready? The working E or L dependent spouse who has the working code on the I-94 card will be able to go right to work. Come in, the guy at the border processes your I-94 entry, and the next day you wake up and go to work. So now, everybody has the E's and the L's and the H4. They all have their permission to work. Now, you have the card, you're working. You're an E, you're an L, or you're an H. You're working. How do you extend the card and not lose your job like Stephen Miller wanted you to do? How does that work? Under this new rule, all right, now you're working. You got your card. You're out there making money. The card is going to expire in 7 or 8 months. You find out how soon you can file for an extension. And you file. It's usually 3 months. We start getting the paperwork ready in 4 months prior to expiration. The rule is, 1, beginning on November 12th, 2021, the EAD card of an E or an L, dependent spouse, and the EAD of an H4 will be automatically extended for up to 180 days. You can keep working while you're waiting for your card for up to half a year. So what does that mean? Biden is going to take the drag of Trump delay from the current nightmares and bring it down to 6 months or less. And during the 6 months or less delay, you get to work automatically extended. And then it goes on with a lot of details. But that's it. That's it. But it's huge. It's huge. So, summary.